Hey loves, so today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. Normally I would show you the box, but look at the wow. Okay, so this came a little bit destroyed, but surprisingly, there was enough bubble wrap and stuff in there that nothing is damaged. So we are good, but I just wanted to show you this. All right, so if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products, sometimes more. Always really high value. Usually there's about $100 more worth of value in the box. Anyway, I moved everything over to a bag so I can show you guys everything that's in this month's Boxycharm. If you guys are interested in trying out Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below. It would mean the world if you could use that one. If not, it's cool, but it's there. If you want to, let them know that I sent you. All right, let's do this. So they always send a little sheet that tells me everything that's in the box. This month's theme is Au Naturel. So I'm assuming they're all kind of natural beauty products. This is the first item in the box. It's the Elemis, I think is how you say that, Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare, formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. This guy retails for $35. Wow. So I'm gonna pop this guy open. It's not green, it's white. Weird. I really thought it was going to be green, but it's definitely a white shade. It smells very fresh. It kind of smells like a lot of Aveda products that I've had in the past smell like this. So I do like the scent. I like when skincare has kind of a fresh scent or like an earthy scent. I don't know. I just feel like it's more when you can tell that the scent's kind of coming from natural things and not just a perfume. That's what I like in skincare. So I'm excited to try this guy. All right, love. So we are going to take a look at this Butter London palette. This looks absolutely beautiful. This is the Natural Goddess palette. Its packaging is super cute, you guys. Wow. This retails for $32. So let's go ahead and swatch all of these for you. It says, serving queendom realness. Bring your inner goddess out in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. So again, it retails for $32. Ooh. All right, love, so here are the swatches of the Butter London palette. Super beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. But I think this is really beautiful. All right, so this is a fun little palette. I'm excited to try it on my eyes. Luxie 3-piece brush set. Guys, first of all, this packaging looks so cute, but I love Luxie brushes. I've been getting quite a few, mostly in Boxycharm. Some have come and tried Beauty Box, but I am such a fan of their brushes. They have so many good little ones. I'm excited to see what we've got this time. I haven't popped it open or anything. So this is the Luxie, I don't even know how to say that. They're eco-friendly Luxie brushes. A foundation brush, an eyeshadow brush, a large eye blending brush. Ooh, oh, they're cute. Okay, so Luxie brushes are normally pink, but you can kind of see, you can still see the wood grain in these. Wow, that's a nice, oh, they're so soft. I love tiny brushes. I have hooded eyes, so any sort of tiny brush that can really like, get in there or really get in there, I'm all about. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. They have this one brush set. It's gold. There are minis. You can always go back on one of my past Boxycharm videos. So good. So I'm excited to try these. I don't normally use brushes like this, but that's fine. I'm really excited about these two. I just am a sponge girl or a flat top kabuki girl for foundation. This is a very basic brush, but you can never have too many, and it's definitely, I could put it in my kit. I need to build a kit. So there we go. So this, did I already say what it retails for? $30 right here. Dang. $10 a brush. Shoot, girl. I use a lot of BH Cosmetics brushes, so anytime I get fancier brushes in a beauty box, I'm all about it. All right, next we have a lip gloss from Alamar, Mother of Pearl Gloss. Juicy, shade-shifting lip luminizer dressed in pearlescent reflex, formulated with rich sea, buckthorn extract, and camellia oil. The Mother of Pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner or lipstick. Gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. This packaging, look how pretty that is. It's so sparkly. It's fruity. What does it smell like? Passion fruit, maybe? Pineapple? Pineapple. It's the pineapple. Let's put a tiny bit on. Oh, there you go. Ooh, that's a good swatch. You can see kind of the white glitter in there. It's really pretty. I really like that scent too. It smells good. It smells good. So again, that guy retails for $10. The last thing we have is a liner. It's an Appeal from the brand Appeal. It is a gel liner. It retails for $21. It says that you can use it for your eyes or your lips. Looks like a dark brown. Mine's in deep taupe. Oh, it's really soft. It's just a dark brown liner. It's kind of an espresso shade. Definitely something that I will use. I've been trying to experiment with different colors of liner because I'm such a creature of habit. All I want to do is the black wing. So the fact that I got through this makeup look and didn't do a black wing is a miracle. Miracle. So I'm excited to have this little guy. All right, so now we are going to add up the cost of this box. Let's see, so we have the face mask, which was $35. Plus the Butter London eyeshadow palette, which was $32. We have the Luxie 3-piece brush set for $30. The Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss for only $10. And then the gel liner for $21. So $128 is the value of the box as a whole, but I'm going to take away $21 because that is the cost of the monthly subscription. So you're getting $107 extra product, like extra value in this box. So I think that's pretty good. I'm honestly excited about pretty much everything in here. Eye pencil, it's kind of basic, but I will use it. The Butter London palette looks really pretty. I'm really stoked about these brushes. So not a bad box overall. Not my favorite, not my least favorite. Pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you got in this month's Boxycharm. If you got the same stuff, if you got something different. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Liked it and share it if it could. What?